What's up, guys? Today we're building a backyard skinny. If you've seen any of our latest videos, you'll have noticed we've been on a bit of a series of building a backyard trail system. Jumps, berms, and many other cool features. We decided it was time to build something a bit more sketchy. Now, we ran out of lumber, so we had no choice but to salvage some from some planks we found in our basement. Now, these planks are super old, and we don't even know where they came from. Now, keep in mind these screws are not in mint condition. They're pretty old. So, we ended up destroying them by trying to drill them out. And we had no choice but to use brute force, aka grabbing a hammer and slamming it against the planks. Yes, I know you're not supposed to try and take a screw out with a hammer. But it was so bad we had no choice. Once we finished messing around with the hammer, we took the planks outside and measured. We cut our pieces to the right size and then loaded them up. Whoops, looks like we'll have to try something else. Perfect fit. And it's at this point of the video when the suffering truly begins. You'll notice this is a pretty thick log. After about 1 hour of cutting, we went in for lunch. We headed back out and kept on cutting. This took an extremely long time and would not recommend this process to anyone. So, about 30 years later, we finally finished cutting. We proudly took our log to the hole, where it could now serve its purpose. In case you haven't noticed, we are not the brightest bananas in the bunch. And it's about to get a lot worse. So please do not follow our process at all. This is simply for entertainment purposes. Once the log had been taken to its final resting place, we dug in holes so that it would stay in place. We didn't realize until we had drilled in a couple of screws that we needed to pre-drill the holes so that the screws could actually go into the log. Now, this made for a very wobbly first plank, and second plank, and third plank. But the fourth plank was pretty good, and the fifth.
Oh, it's got 13 battery. Oh, you're good. Aww.
I honestly don't want to make you cringe anymore, so we'll get right to the good part. I don't know how it worked, but it did. Hey, I said it worked. I didn't say it was 100% stable. Thank you so much for watching this absolute train wreck of a skinny. And if you enjoyed it, please make sure you subscribe and head over to check out some other videos. Thank you so much for watching.